In this video, we are going to see about the applications of stack. There are many applications of stacks. 4 of them is shown here. First one is balancing symbol. Next, postfix expressions. Next, infix to postfix conversion. Another one is function calls. Balancing symbol. When you compile a program, the compiler checks for the syntax error. The frequent syntax error is lack of one symbol. The useful tool in this situation is program to check whether everything is balanced one. For example, the sequence open square bracket, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, close square bracket is a legal one. But open square bracket, open parenthesis, close square bracket, close parenthesis is a wrong one. So, the tool checks whether the sequence is balanced or not. Algorithm for balancing symbols. To check the symbols are balanced or not, first we have to make an empty stack. Then read the given input characters until end of file. If the character is an open anything, for example, open square bracket, open brace, open parenthesis, then push it into the stack. If it is a closed one, we have to do the following things. Check if the stack is empty or not. If it is empty, report an error. Otherwise, pop the stack. Then check the popped element is corresponding to the opening symbol or not. If not corresponding to the opening symbol, then display an error. Do the above steps till the end of it. At the end of it, if the stack is not empty, again error. And explain the algorithm once again. First step is create an empty stack. Then second, read the characters until end of file. Next, if the character is open, then push into the stack. If it is a close, check the stack is empty or not. If it is empty, error. Otherwise, pop the stack and check popped element is equal to the corresponding opening symbol. If it is not corresponding to the opening symbol, then report error. Do the steps at the end of file. Check the stack is empty or not. If it is empty, it's a balanced one. Otherwise, we can say it's a not balanced one. You can see this with the example. The input sequence is open parenthesis, open brace, open square bracket, close square bracket, close brace, close parenthesis. First, read the first character, open. If it is open one, so you have to push. Then next, open brace, push into the stack. Open square bracket, push into the stack. Next one is close square bracket. If it is a closed one, we have to pop. Popped element is this one. So it is a corresponding to the closed square bracket. So move to the next step. Again pop the symbol. Since it is a close brace, pop. So open popped symbol is open brace. Then move to the next one. Close parenthesis. Then pop the stack. The popped is open parenthesis. Both are corresponding symbols. Then at the end of the input string, check the stack is empty or not. The stack is empty. So the string is balanced one. Next example is open parenthesis, open brace, close square bracket, close parenthesis. First one is open parenthesis, so we have to push. Then open brace, then we have to push. Next one is close square bracket. If it is a closed one, we have to pop. The popped symbol is open brace. Open brace is not corresponding open symbol for the close square bracket. So stop the process and display an error message. This is not a balanced string. Next, postfix expressions evaluation. The postfix expressions evaluation, the procedure is as follows. Read the input characters one by one. If it is an operand, then push into the stack. If it is an operator, then pop two elements from the stack and apply the operator in between the operands, then store the result in the stack. At the end of file, if the stack contains one value, then this is the result of the given postfix expression. I am going to explain this with an example. The given expression is 6523 plus 8 star plus 3 plus star. First reads 6, it's an operand, so we have to push. Then 5, push. 2, push. 3, push. Now top of stack, TOS means top of stack is 3. Next character read is plus. Plus is an operator, so we have to pop two values, 2 and 3. Pop, and you have to apply this operator in between them. 2 plus 3, 5. Then 5 is pushed into the stack. Next read is 8. It's an operand, so we have to push. Next read is star. Star is an operator, so we have to pop two values. The popped values are 8 and 5. So apply this operator. 8 into 5 equal to 40. 40 is pushed into the stack. Next read is plus. So we have to pop two values, 40 and 5. Apply this operator. 40 plus 5 equal to 45. 45 is pushed into the stack. Algorithm for balancing symbols. To check the symbols are balanced or not, first we have to make an empty stack. Then read the given input characters until end of file. If the character is an open anything, for example, open square bracket, open brace, open parenthesis, then push it into the stack. If it is a closed one, we have to do the following things. Check if the stack is empty or not. If it is empty, report an error. Otherwise, pop the stack. Then check the popped element is corresponding to the opening symbol. Then the next read is star. So we have to, it is an operator, so we have to pop two values, 48 and 6. Apply this operator. 6 into 48 equal to 288. Then the 288 is pushed. Here the input string entered. The stack contains only one value. So this 288 is the result of this postfix expression. In this way, we are evaluating the postfix expression using stack. Next, infix to postfix expression conversion. To convert the infix expression to postfix expression, stack is used. The algorithm is step 1. When an operand is read, how to write in the output. When operator is read, how to push into the stack. When left parenthesis is read, how to push into the stack. Then if right parenthesis is read, how to pop the stack up to left parenthesis. If any operator read before push into the stack, how to pop the entries which are high priority than the current operator. If the end of input read, pop the stack until empty. Again, I am explaining the algorithm. When operand is read, how to write it into the output. If operator or left parenthesis is read, how to push into the stack. If right parenthesis is read, how to pop the stack up to left parenthesis. If any operator is read before pushing into the stack, how to pop the entries which are high priority than the current operator. If the end of input read, how to pop the stack until empty and write the symbols into the output. For example, the given infix expression is a plus b star c plus d star e plus f star g. First character read is a, it's an operand, write in the output. Then plus the operator, push into the stack. Then b operand, so how to write it in the output. Then star operator, how to push. Plus is low priority than star, so no problem of pushing star. Star is pushed. Then C is a operand, so write it in the output. Then plus is the operator, so we have to push. Before pushing, pop all symbols which are high priority or equal priority. Then check star is high priority, then plus, so pop out, star is popped. Then plus is equal priority, so popped, write it in the output. Then this plus is pushed. After next read is open parenthesis. If open parenthesis read, then how to push into the stack. Again I explain this. A is the operand, so we are writing it in the output. Plus is the operator, so we are pushing. B is the operand, so you are writing in the output. Star is the operator, so we are pushing here. Star is high priority than plus. Then C is the operand, so we are writing in the output. Next plus is the operator. The priority of star is higher than plus, so star is popped out. Then this plus and this plus are equal priority, so plus is popped out and this plus is pushed into the stack. Then open parenthesis is pushed. Next read is star. Star is a operator, so we have to pop two values. The popped values are 8 and 5. So apply this operator. 8 into 5 equal to 40. 40 is pushed into the stack. Next read is plus. So we have to pop two values, 40 and 5. Apply this operator. 40 plus 5 equal to 45. 45 is pushed into the stack. star and plus are popped and write down. This is a postfix expression for the infix expression given. Next application of stack is function call. When a call is made to a new function, the called function have to save all the variables local to the calling routine and the location of the called routine. Then only after completing the execution of the new function, the control transfer to the current location of the called routine and execute. Also, it avoids the new function overrides the called function's local values. For this purpose, we are using stack. This is called as activation record or stack frame.